Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying documents and logging in. Make sure originals are at hand. Once logged into the Al Jazeera portal, navigate to the Residency or Iqama Services section. You will choose Renew or Update depending on your status. Select the correct option now. Enter your Iqama number, sponsor name, and updated address details. Save each screen before moving on because missing a field can cause rejection. If a fee appears, note the amount so you can complete payment in the next step. Now you complete the detailed form fields, type slowly and match spellings to official documents. Once done, upload the scanned passport page, employer letter, and a compliant photo. Check size and format restrictions. Make sure your sponsor confirmation is entered. Some cases require electronic sponsor approval, so request it immediately. After attachments, review the summary page line by line and confirm accuracy. Then proceed to the payment gateway. Choose a valid card or MADA/SADED option. Finish by confirming submission. You should get an on-screen confirmation number and an email or SMS receipt. Capture a screenshot and print the receipt for records. Once submitted, monitor the application status in your account. Processing times vary, so check daily. If the process stalls beyond the provided timeframe, contact your sponsor or the Jawazat office with the confirmation number. If you receive a rejection, read the error note carefully, correct the exact fields mentioned, and resubmit immediately to avoid further delay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.